Hi guys, long time no talk to. Happy New Year, first of all. And I thought I'd come back and show you some little things I'm doing with my eyelashes. Just a little simple little technique that I love is these little clusters. It's easier, I find, to use. However, I know that a lot of times they put them underneath your eyelashes. I don't have enough eyelashes to put them underneath. And then what I do have, it doesn't stay. And I don't want them long lasting, like days and days and weeks and weeks. That's how I lost the little lashes, the little flippers. So this little pack I got from Amazon. Y'all, how much do we use Amazon? Okay, so mine are the short and brown little ones. I'll try and link it. I'll pop up a picture here. A couple of pictures along the way to show you where I got them. But I love them. So my eyes are tight, as we can see. Tight little eyes. Tight. And as a result, I can't wear a bunch of lashes and fans on my lids. And I just don't like the way it looks. So I use the shorter ones. So mine are 8 for this inner corner here. And then 10 in the middle and 12. And because my eyes are narrow and thin, I use only 3. Also, I don't like going too far in here because every time I blink, the water line interferes with the glue and it lifts. So I don't go too deep inside either. And I use my favorite famous glue. Some of you might remember this glue. This is the glue where I had troubles, what is it, 2 years now? A year ago? When I dripped this on my dress on my way to my sister-in-law's 70th birthday. And I made a whole video on how I got it out using Shout and some Q-tips. It's on my TikTok. Go check it out. You guys know how to take them out. Try not to rip out. Let me get my glasses on. Try not to rip out the little hairs, right? Don't rip them out before you can get started, you know. So you want to pull from. Then these have, look, they're at the bottom. You can lift. I don't know if you can see that. Bottom. Can y'all see that? I'm lifting underneath here, gently pulling it up. So it lifts, and I just put a little of this glue on. Now here's why I like this glue. My experience with eyelash glue in the past has been when it dries crunchy. And on your eyelids, when you blink, for me, it felt like rocks. This particular glue, I like the way it gets tacky, and I like the way it dries. It dries, it doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel rocky, and it's easy on and off. And I just do a little dot. And just like you would with regular lash strips, like the long ones, you let it get tacky. That's what I do. I don't know if you can see that. See, I let it get a little, that's it. You guys have done this already so many times. I'm just showing you real quick what I do. Okay, hold on, let me get my magnifying mirror because this could be completely wrong and I can't see. But yeah, I don't need a lot. I like the color brown. My hair naturally is brown. The hair I'm wearing is brown. I find that when it's not super dark and black hair, then it looks a little more natural, a lot more fluttery. I like that. I like that. Less is more impactful to me, in my opinion, especially with my tight, narrow eyes. Hold on. I'm trying to get up. So I can go get the mirror. Hold on. Hang in there. I'll be back. Okay, I'm almost back. Hold on. I'm trying not to stand on my feet because my hip has been bothering me. So I'm glad I'm down on the floor. I can get up and down on the floor, but I need to stay down here without climbing. Back and forth, up and down. I should have had this. I knew something was missing. I'm sitting on the floor in front of a large mirror so that I can get closer. but I really need this. Okay. I'm back. I have on these boots too. Okay. So let me see if I did that right. Or if I did that well. And I did. I think it's sometimes a little bit of muscle memory. I think I'm gonna go. I think I'm gonna go to a 10. These are 12s. 12, 12. I feel like this is, wait, how many is it? Where does 12 stop? Oh, 12s, 2 rows of 12s, 3 rows of 10. It's like, Gwen, read. Reading is fundamental. Just go in right next to it. And you can already see the difference. You can already see the difference in my face and my eye. Just wakes it up. It's just a little bit. It's just enough. Okay, so I'm trying to decide. Am I going to go another 10? Or am I going to go? I'm going to go one more 10. And then I'll start using 8s. So again, I love the way these are on here. You can actually pull them from there. So these are the 10s. You can pull it. So what's happening is this little strip lifts. This little strip line here sits up so you can grab it. And that way you don't waste it. I don't know how many of you have wasted little hairs, ripped them out, and thought, oh, I can't use it because you pulled the hairs out. Happens to a lot of people. It's on the tweezers. And you just, and I love this magnifying mirror. Cause it's like having my glasses on. Look at my face, look at my eyes already. It's just so much easier to put on than the whole strip. But I don't actually have problems with the whole strip. But I know those who have problems with the whole strip, it's easier, just little chunks at a time along the eye. But I managed to, and I like it because the brown, it doesn't feel loud and obnoxious on my face. Just washes right off. So I think I need, from here on out, I think I'm gonna do 8s. And then the 8s start here. I love the way they lift. Someone must have said, hey, we're ripping hairs out. Hairs are being ripped out. Someone must have said it. Let me let it come down this way. Can you all see? Someone must have said, hey, we're ripping out hairs and we need to stop ripping out hairs. And don't glue down the bands because they don't come off. I love this. It's brilliantly thought of. And it's just, I find that they feel like they're a little better quality than the beauty supply store ones. Maybe I just haven't found the good ones or the right ones, but I'm loving this brand. Let me see, can you see it? Again, I'll put up some things for you all to see. Look what it does to my face. I haven't even finished. Got one more to put there. So I did a 12, 2 10s, and I'm going to probably do 2 8s. But look. Look how much it dresses up my face. I go from naked eyelids to not naked eyelids. Look at the difference. Can y'all see the difference? Okay, let's see. Make one more 8 for this eye. So 1 12, 2 10s, and 2 8s because my eyes are narrow. You may need more. You may have more eyelid. I don't. My eyes are tight and slithery. And it doesn't take much. Your eyelid starts to see. See how my eyelid, when I was younger, it used to be like that. And I have a flat eyelid. So see, you can see right there where it creases a little bit. And I'm not planning on doing anything about it. It's fine just the way it is. Gravity. It's not like it's covering me and forcing my eyelids closed. It's just a little sign of aging. And to me, it's not that significant. I don't feel older looking. I don't know. I don't feel like, girl, remove that little skin. So so you saw the before and you see this is one eye. See the difference? This is another eye. And this is with brown. So this is the eye that has nothing on it. This is the eye that does. And look at them together. Look how much, look at the impact. Look how much it dressed up my face. No liner. I have no makeup on. Just these lashes. They are brown, short, little flutters. Yeah, look at the difference. And they are brown. And look how natural. Just very natural. Natural. But look at the difference it makes. That's what I'm saying. You don't need a bunch of, because any little added hair you add there in the right way, the impact is great. You can see. Okay, let's do the other eye. Okay, so my battery died on my phone, on my camera, so I'm using my phone. In the meantime, I just want to jump on here and say, these are the results. What do you all think? I like the brown because the majority of the time I'm not in makeup. I'm just hydrated with a little lip balm, and it's nice to have a few little lashes on. But when I wear them in black, it is obvious and loud, especially when you have no makeup on and you got these lashes. So I like the brown. It disappears in my skin a little bit more, and it matches my hair, especially this wig. My hair is brown and gray. My hair is getting some grays. So I just think it looks... I like it. I like it. Let me know what you guys think. What do you use? This is my little tutorial. Tell me your thoughts. Oh, and what do you use to gently remove yours? I know there's quite a few products out there right now. I'm just using my regular cleanser and just a little oil cleanser on a Q-tip, and it just helps remove them. I don't necessarily use them over and over again. I don't. It takes me a while to go through that pack. I usually let them last, like I said, 3 to 5 days. I try not to go beyond 5 days. I try to stay within 3 days and gently soak them off. They do sometimes fall off after 3 days on their own. So I like that. And then we reapply them for another 3 days. I love it because I do a mask Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And so it works to not have any lashes on your eyelids. Anyway, I keep looking. All right. Happy New Year again. And let's see what we get into tomorrow. Bye.